Hi everyone, this is Misty and Jason, and we attended the VIP Big Live event, and we had an amazing time. We met Phil and Shnoa and a bunch of other awesome people, and we got to tour properties, and we got one-on-one time with them. We learned a ton, and one awesome thing that resulted from this is we are both doing this full-time now, and we have a couple deals going on, and we're super excited about all the opportunities that are to come. And I don't know, what do you have to say about the Big Live event?
I think the biggest thing that we learned is when we got into this initially was we really only had one or two strategies in our toolbox, and the biggest thing we gained is that there's a lot more strategies out there that you can use to advance your real estate career, as well as a lot more strategies that you can use to help people with a variety of different issues. So it was a big eye-opener for us, being able to learn more than the strategies we initially walked in with, which was doing some flipping and doing some buy and hold. That was pretty much where we started, and now we have a lot more tools on our toolbox to really advance ourselves.
Absolutely. I'm not going to lie, when he came home and told me he signed us up for this, I was like, what did you do? But then we actually did it, and it was an amazing 3 days. Really having that one-on-one with Phil and Shnoa and understanding what they're about and what this business is about is really, for me, what determined that I was going to do this full-time. And really both of us. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to do this, and now we're doing this full-time, and we're just loving life. And I don't know if that would have happened if we wouldn't have done the VIP package. You really get an intimate one-on-one experience with what this world is about, and Phil and Shnoa, and it's just been awesome. So, had a great time.